In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook profile picture step by step. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Go to your profile by tapping your name or current profile picture. Next, tap your profile picture and select Update Profile Picture. Choose a new photo from your phone, or take a new picture using your camera. Adjust the photo by moving or zooming it so it fits correctly inside the profile picture circle. You can also add a frame or make other available adjustments if you want. Once you're happy with the photo, tap Save or Update to set it as your new profile picture. Facebook may also create a post showing that you've updated your profile picture, depending on your settings. Finally, visit your profile to make sure the new picture appears correctly. That's how you can change your Facebook profile picture quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook tutorials. Thanks for watching.